today I have Magic Mixlings 4 exclusive glitter Mixlings. Comes in the 4-pack. It has one mysterious one. So you get Harley, who's a flyer. Gexy, I guess how you say his name, which is a spellcaster. And Mava, I guess how you say that, which is a vanisher. Hence the ball of water right here, because you gotta use some water, I think. So, anyways, and Toro is a question mark, according to the back, anyways. I don't know if that's his name or if that's just what they choose to give it as to not give away anything, but we're about to find out. Once I get all this opened up. So we have the jar, or the cauldron, I guess is what you would call this right here. Of course, it's not easy to open, just like the last ones I did. Start off with that. Apparently, I'm just gonna struggle. Alright. So like the last ones, you just rub right here, and it reveals what you have. This one is a star, which the star is a rare. Had to look at the other one off over here. So let's see what this one is real quick. And then we'll go to these three over here, which I'll go ahead and get out so I don't have to pull with that. So we'll go over all those here in a second. So let's see what this one is. So this is one that was inside the cauldron, which they look like. They don't have a wand for it. Okay, so this is an enchanter. According to this, an enchanter. Okay, so you put it up like this, and the eye spins. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but we're going to do it again. And then just spin it back. Love the way the eyes look. It has little clovers, it looks like. That's a neat little one. And her name is... I'm going with her because that's what I'm assuming. Toro. Yeah, according to this, it's Toro. Of course, it has a little checklist and everything else like the last ones. So I'm going to put that all back in here. Then we're going to go with this one, which is a flyer. And I love the colors on these, for these ones. So, yeah, you have the wings. You just place it up there and it pops the wings out. Neat little things. This one I can't show off on camera because, well, it won't glow in the dark because of the lights. But, yeah, you just basically just put this up to it for like 10 seconds or something like that, and it'll glow in the dark on her jewel, her hands, and I think this part of it glows. So now, this one apparently you add water to it, and it reveals its color. So let's do that real quick with her little wand. It's not doing anything. At least not yet. It's still not doing anything. Let's see what happens if I just throw it in the water. Nothing. Maybe it has to be cold water because it's kind of warm. But anyway, so this one you're supposed to add water and it changes colors. I'll figure that out later. Or maybe I have to put it in the foot. I just found a hole in the foot, so maybe I have to put it there. No, I think it just has to have cold water. So, anyways, I'll figure that one out later and go from there. But like I said, I do like all these ones that I got today, and the next one I gotta get so I can get the other exclusive one is a castle, I believe is what I saw. So, anyways, I'll catch y'all next time with the next video that I do. Hopefully I'll be a little bit more put together, and if I ever figure out how to get this one to work, I will definitely put that on video. Alright, so I'll catch y'all later.